Hi, this is Death Eater 6666, and this is pretty much my first video, but I'm gonna teach you how to make a paper airplane. All you need is a piece of printer paper. It's gonna look like this when it's done. Okay, so first.
Oh wait, and before he starts, this is Danger Exponent here, and he's just being a blimp because he doesn't want to show his face.
Yeah, it's just so first. You fold it in half, okay, and then you fold this part like this.
Basic. Just gotta do the basics.
Pretty much, but it gets a little bit harder because the folding gets harder. Then you fold it again. Okay, so it should look like that. Then you fold it again on both sides. And try to make it as tight as you can. Okay. Next side.
Do the exact same thing on both sides.
Yep. Now try to fold the point and stuff. Make it neat. Then the last fold is the hardest. You have to...
Don't you fold it in the center? Or
No,
not?
not yet. The last fold you have to use your nails.
If you have any. Steven needs to cut his.
Yes, I do.
They're like a girl's nail right now. Look at those.
Okay, that's one side. No. Okay. But it's okay if the tip looks a little weird like that. Like, say, just have to try to
Straighten it out.
And then you fold the whole plane in half. Make it as tight as you can.
You should talk a little louder.
Okay, make it as tight as you can. And try to fold the tip. Okay, after you're done with that, you open it up. You take these two, and you're ready to fly.
Now let's see this baby fly.
Okay, let's see. Now this is the brand new one I just made.
He just made it.
Okay, hold on. You gotta try to like put these out a little, and it flies pretty well.
Yep.
Let me just show you my older one. It flies
Yeah,
even
he
better.
made this one like this morning or whatever.
It has a little dirt because I used it already.
Yeah, he threw it in the grass showing me it, and yeah, it was pretty funny.
Okay. That one, you see, there's just stuff blocking it.
Yeah, there's stuff blocking
It's
it.
pretty good.
One went over there somewhere, and then one went in that stuff.
Okay, so this is Death Eater 666. If you liked it, leave a space below and leave a message below. And yeah.
Peace out.